Vivo X Fold, the first foldable smartphone from the Chinese smartphone brand, is live in its home country now. The Vivo X Fold is certainly believed to have the scope to rival the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 in the foldable smartphone space. A new image comparison of the two devices posted online suggests a less noticeable crease in the Vivo X Fold over the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Vivo unveiled the Vivo X Fold, claiming that it has a crease-free foldable display, but the images shared online show evident crease on the handset. However, it is less noticeable than that of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Twitter user Anthony the Galox tweeted a side-by-side image comparison of the new Vivo X Fold alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. As mentioned in the image, the Vivo X Fold appears to have a less noticeable crease. Vivo reportedly claims that the inside screen of the Vivo X Fold has a creaseless design, but that's not really the case. Vivo X Fold's crease is less noticeable, says the tweet. Another foldable smartphone in the market, Oppo Find N, has a barely visible crease in the folding display. Vivo X Fold was launched in China last week with a starting price of Chinese yuan 8,999 for the base 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. It will go on sale in China from April 22. Meanwhile, the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 starts at $1,200. Samsung currently dominates the foldable smartphone market with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Huawei, Motorola, Xiaomi and Oppo are other major players in the foldable phone market. Huawei with its Mate X and X2 foldable smartphone market its presence in the space. Xiaomi had also unveiled the Mi Mix Fold as the company's first foldable smartphone in China in March last year. It is expected to unveil Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 2 soon. Oppo's Find N foldable was unveiled at the end of 2021 and is also gaining popularity. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends. Go check out the description box below to get these awesome gadgets and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more latest cool reviews.